We've just arrived at Andy Bowie Park on South Padre Island in South Texas. Let's go check it out. When you arrive at Andy Bowie Park, they have a person at the window there, and you'll just check in with them. If you're not camping here, you'll pay the day use fee. The entrance station's back that way. The camping area is right here, and just over the dunes is the Gulf of Mexico. They do have a day use area here with a nice pavilion area overlooking the Gulf of Mexico. So let's go check out the day use area and the beach here at Andy Bowie Park, and we'll come back and check out the RV camping. There's separate parking over here in the day use area. It looks like they have a restrooms, a concession stand, covered seating area, and of course the beach access to the Gulf of Mexico. Oh, there's Melody and Milo. They were already checking out the beach. There's my baby boy. I'm in the upper deck of the pavilion area. I have a lot of seating up here, picnic tables. Concession is closed, more than likely because of COVID. But concession is dead ahead right there. And wow, the Gulf of Mexico really looks awesome today. Mid-70s. It's like at a playground. Of course, it's closed. Let's go out and take a peek at the beach. Cameron County, Texas has some awesome county parks, this being one of them. Let's go out here and check the beach out. They do have a place for you to wash your feet off when you come in from the beach. Back that way is the way I just walked from. That's the entrance to Andy Bowie Park. I'm standing out here on the beach. Dogs are allowed on the beach. Of course, they have to be on a leash, and you have to clean up after your pet. But Fido is allowed out here on the beach. The wind's kind of whipping today. So I hope my lavalier mic is trimming some of this wind noise down. Wow, this is a nice gradual slope into the Gulf. Some nice looking water today. I believe they may have a separate entrance to over the dunes to the RV camping area. So let's walk up the I'm going to walk up the beach and see if I can find a separate entrance to the RV camping area. While I'm walking up to that second entrance, or I'm looking for a second entrance to the RV camping area, I thought I'd mention, as soon as you come into the South Padre Island from the mainland, there's another Cameron County park, and that's Isablanca County Park. It's a very nice park. I've done a separate review on that park. They also have RV camping in there, lots of RV camping. It is a bit pricey, but well worth a splurge. Here at Bowie County Park, you still have beach access. You're about 3 miles from the strip where you have all the restaurants and everything. This is further north up South Padre Island. But it's going to be about half the cost. I'll verify that, and I may put a photo up of the prices at the end of this video. But as I recall, they were much more affordable camping out here if you wanted to spend some time on site and just take in the beach. Let's go up here and see if I can find that, see if there's another entrance to the RV camping area. Well, I'm fairly confident I found a entrance to the RV camping area. I'll give you a look back. This is the direction we came from. We came out just on this side of where that pier is. And it looks like we have a walkway that takes us back over the dunes right in here. So I'm thinking this may take me back to where they have the RV camping area. Yeah, it looks like this is going to wind me back in to the asphalt area where the RVs were. Yeah, that young lady over there. I stopped and talked to her. She says this does go up into the RV camping area. Should just be right over this dune here. Melody and I are really impressed with South Padre Island. It's just absolutely gorgeous island, and really both sides, both the lagoon side and the Gulf side of the island just have some spectacular views. Oh, it looks like there's going to be another covered pavilion with picnic tables right here at the RV camping area. Yeah, that's where I parked, over in there. And this is the covered picnic area, pavilion. And that's, we just came over the dunes there that takes you to the Gulf of Mexico. Let's go out here, get a little bit closer view of the RV camping area. So there's the restrooms. And they are numbered. The campsites are numbered. That's a 50 amp hookup right there. So that's a plus. You know, all kinds of different rigs back in here. B16. I got it blocked up, so it must not be perfectly level. Got a big rig Tuscany in there. AB15. Looks like you could get your rig level in there. AB14 also looks like a nice site where you can get your rig level. You're basically lot docking with hookups, and I do see soar hoses, so you have full hookups. Let's take a look here. The electric box. AB8. Let's take a peek in here. See what kind of, we have 3050 amp hookup. That's site AB8, and your soar is right there. So let me go up here and give you some thoughts. Looks like this might be a handicap site. AB19, there's your hookups, there's your soar. You're right across from the restroom, but I wouldn't want that site, because then your seating area is going to be facing right outside the restroom door, and you're going to have all the traffic going up to the picnic area there. So keep that in mind if you're thinking about reserving AB19. I'm not a big fan of lot docking, but I suppose if you didn't have any other alternative and the cost was really a factor for you. I mean, Melody and I, we pretty much stay with very affordable RV camping. This would be a splurge if we came out on South Padre Island to camp, but if we did camp, I would probably prefer the Ilsa Blanca campground to this one, hands down. But this is probably about half the price. Again, I'll put up posting. I'll take a picture of off the internet of what the pricing is, but I suspect it's going to be like half of what it would be down at the other county park. There's a final look around. We have some parasailers parasailing right over Andy Bowie Park today. Several of them. Pretty cool. This site has a little bit, this side on the end has a little bit more privacy. You can get your rig level there. You got a picnic table there too. That's probably the best site here, where that ambassador is camped. Let me see if I can see what site number the ambassador's in. Yeah. Can't really tell from this perspective. Let me take a walk around and see if I can't find out what site number that is. Here's a vantage point of the rear of the sites, and this is where all the hookups are. This is AB1. I would recommend AB1. If I were to camp here, that's the site I would want to get into, AB1. And again, you have a picnic table and more privacy than the other sites. I think I'm going to leave it here. I'll have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description on YouTube. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.